Free movies, TV shows, and live TV on the Firestick? Are you sure? I'm definitely sure. Check this out, guys. First things first, we're going to need to download an application called Downloader that accesses us to an external app store at my website. Type in Downloader in the search icon. If you don't own it, get it, install it, download it, install it, get it today. If you do own it and you already know how to work it, fast forward a couple seconds. So I already own it, so it's just going to download for you. Get it, download it, install it. And then open it. Super easy. We'll jailbreak Firestick, don't worry. Now guys, it needs to access photos, media, files on your device. Yes, let it, it's okay. Quick start guide for you if you want to read that. Okay guys, quick link here. Shortcut 5, 4, 6, 8, 3, 5. Click go or the play button on your remote. Nice 5-second redirect. Once this redirect is done, we are going to what we're going to do now is hit the little hamburger button. Current page, 2 favorites. Now we got a bookmark too. Save it however you like. Done. In here, guys, we're going to load up the downloads page. Click on downloads. Oh. In case anything ever happens, guys, put your email address in here and I will send you probably once a month the latest and greatest content for your Firestick. Tricks, tips, and how-tos. So come on down to the downloads page. And in the downloads page here, we're going to have all the apps that you'd ever want to download on your Firestick. Legal apps from the Play Store. A quick demo on how to download them. Pluto TV. Click on Pluto TV. And it's either going to automatically download or it's going to send you to the download page for that. Oh, come on. So it's either going to, you click on it, it's either going to go to the downloads page for that application or it's going to automatically download it. For some reason, every now and then, click it once, it doesn't work, click it again, you're good to go. Like I said, we're going to jailbreak this sucker. For your security, TV's not allowed to install unknown apps from this source, from Downloader. So we're going to go to the settings. It's going to do it for us. We're just going to go to the settings, install unknown apps, turn on Downloader, back out, ADB debugging. If it's not already on, I suggest turning it on. Back out once more. It'll take a moment, and then we can push install. We're going to install down to the bottom right. And we're going to hit done. Do not open it yet, as we need to delete the APK file. Confirm, delete. We go down to Zumo. And this one goes to the Zumo page. Why do you want Zumo? Oh, there's a couple good reasons you want Zumo. The Amazon device or the Android device. Click on it. We have the Amazon Fire TV stick. 17 megs. Quick little download. Guys, push the like, thumbs up button. Put a comment down below. Tell me how I'm doing. Install. done, hit done, because we want to delete the APK file again. Now let's go back to our home screen. We've downloaded these great apps. Go on and head over to your apps and games. And we can open up Pluto TV and say, Bob's your uncle. And you got live TV, free movies. If you want to activate it, you can. Anchorman, Terminator, Sleepless, Old School. I'm watching Old School tonight, guys. Okay? And of course, under apps and games, hit the little hamburger button. Force it to move to the front. Hamburger button. Hamburger button. Move to the front. Hamburger button. Move to the front. And that'll give us all those apps that we need to shortcut for free movies, TV show, live TV, all available on the Firestick. Remember, on that download page, please scroll further down. There's lots of content in there, lots and lots of apps for movies, TV shows, tools, games, you name it. It's all on the Firestick, or available. It's all available for the Firestick.
Transformers: Rise of the Beast, rated PG-13, now streaming on Paramount Plus.
Old school. What do you say? Old school. I hope you liked it. Push the like button. Hit subscribe. Make a comment. Figure it out. Enjoy. Come here. Come here. Z, come here. Come here. Meet the mostest of the hostess of the mostest. Zeta right here. This is our little German Shepherd puppy. I don't know, not much of a puppy anymore. Guys, this is the part of the show that doesn't exist. Have you been missing it? You may have. She went on to her lovely chair seat over here. What do you say today? Yeah? She watches me most of the time making these videos, especially when I'm not in my closet. Hope you're all doing well. Keep safe. Peace.